Audio Jungle.
I'm curious. Is there anything that I mean? You do a pretty good job of managing this, but is there anything that you're a little bit afraid of? Is there any anxiousness?
Oh yeah.
Fear's maybe too strong a word, but anything you're anxious about?
Oh yeah. 100%. Well, quite a bit. So first day you open, nobody shows up. Nobody shows up for a month, right? They all then there's the flip side. They all show up and it doesn't work. All my washing machines, we got everybody in the entire world showing up and it doesn't work. Those are two anxious thoughts. And the truth usually lies in the middle, right? And I found most people are empathetic. Most people understand that we're human. We're trying to do the best we can. And I think people will hopefully give me that grace when they come that, hey, we're doing the best we can. If there's something that's a little off, give me a shot and let me work with you. And we're offering free dry time for the first month. So that'll be going on and that'll hopefully buy a little bit of grace. Hey, the dryers are free. It's not all bad here. So, but yeah, those are real anxious inducing. And then, staffing is a tough situation. You want to make sure you get really good quality staff. We've got people that are speaking in Spanish and English and, really want to care about customer service, really getting that staffing clean. Are we clean all the time? Everything working? Don't lose someone's laundry for washing fold. All those things that you can get anxiety inducing thoughts about. But yeah, those are the things I think about. Definitely, Matt. They're there. They're real.